rail fans, and welcome back. Today we're taking another look at the Hesston Steam Museum's 2023 Steam and Power Weekend. For this video, we'll turn our attention to one of their 3-foot narrow gauge locomotives. United Fruit Company 260 No. 2 was built in 1911 for the United Fruit Company and was originally numbered 1 on the roster. The locomotive was one of several porters built for the company and served there for many years until retirement in 1950. After being saved from scrap, the locomotive eventually found its way to the Hesston Steam Museum. After a rebuild from severe fire damage in 1985, the locomotive returned to operation in 2019 as one of the primary locomotives for the museum. Number 2 put on a fantastic display over the weekend, taking charge of the 4-car passenger train with little issue. Sit back and enjoy as we follow Number 2 around the museum. With that, we conclude the chase of United Fruit Company Number 2. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Steam content. Stay safe out there, and happy rail fanning.